Welcome to Grasshopper Labs. In this video, we're going to be scheduling a home delivery. If I know my order number or PO, I can paste that order number or PO inside of our global order search and select the order from here. Or I can click into my orders grid and also search for the order inside of here. Then I can click into my order and I'm going to scroll down on the left-hand panel to where it says scheduled date. First thing I want to select is this calendar. And as long as I've built out my last mile planner for these specific delivery zones, I'll be able to see those posted inside of the calendar. I can select any of the days that I agree upon with the customer, enter in the name of the person that I confirmed this date with, and then select schedule. And now we can see that this order is scheduled for March 20th, 2026. And that's how you schedule inside of Grasshopper.